As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Royal Gourmet GD4002T. They both seem decent, but I'm trying to figure out which one is better for me.
Ah, good choices. I've taken a look at them too. The Charbroil is definitely smaller, right? It's got a 200 square inch cooking surface, while the Royal Gourmet boasts a much larger 430 square inches. That's a big difference if you're cooking for a crowd.
Yeah, that's a good point. I'm usually just cooking for myself, or maybe two people, so the smaller size of the Charbroil might be fine. But what about the power?
The Royal Gourmet definitely wins there. It has 4 burners cranking out a total of 40,000 BTUs, while the Charbroil only has 1 burner at 9,500 BTUs. So, the Royal Gourmet should heat up faster and maintain higher temperatures.
Okay, so more power and a larger cooking area with the Royal Gourmet. But the Charbroil claims to use TRU infrared cooking, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food more evenly. Is that just marketing hype?
It's hard to say definitively. TRU infrared can be good, but some users find it can get too hot, and you really need to watch the food to prevent burning. The Royal Gourmet has independent burner controls, so you can manage the heat across the griddle more easily. And speaking of the griddle, that's a big plus for the Royal Gourmet.
Oh yeah, it's a grill and griddle combo. I can make pancakes and bacon on that thing. The Charbroil is just a grill.
Exactly. It gives you way more cooking versatility. Plus, the Royal Gourmet has electronic ignition, while the Charbroil has a push-button igniter. It's a small thing, but electronic ignition is generally more reliable.
True. What about portability? The Charbroil seems lighter, at 20 pounds versus the Royal Gourmet's 40.6 pounds.
That's a significant difference. If you're carrying it long distances, the Charbroil would be easier. But the Royal Gourmet is still considered portable, just less so.
Okay, so to recap, Charbroil is smaller, lighter, and potentially more even cooking with TRU infrared, but can run hot. The Royal Gourmet has more power, a larger cooking area with a griddle, and electronic ignition. It's also heavier.
Precisely. I think it boils down to what you prioritize. If you need something super portable and only cook small meals, the Charbroil might work. But for more versatility and power, the Royal Gourmet seems like the better option, even with the added weight. And it's only slightly more expensive.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.